So let's go ahead and walk through the steps of a bare metal server recovery in this example environment. So starting with step one, kind of a disclaimer, the infrastructure components, that means the storage, the switches, the firewalls, things of that nature, have all been recovered in another recovery guide. So refer to that video for those details. Let's move on to step number two. The development of a portable disaster recovery drive is needed to execute this. Remember, this is in the event we have complete failure and disconnection from anyone in the environment. So here we're going to recover an image that resides on that USB drive called the recovery core. Within the recovery core, you're going to find an operating system as well as a generic load of the CommVault server. So this is just a basic image. We then move down to step number three. On another physical server we install, and remember, these are generic physical servers from the factory. We restore the management SQL server from another gold image that resides on the portable DR drive. In step number four, we restore the CommServe DR recovery file from this DR USB drive, and we place that on the recovery core server that we have restored in step number two. So it's important to note here that the CommServe DR recovery file is backed up weekly and holds all of the configuration information related to CommVault. Step number five, we restore the Active Directory and part of our security software on another physical server. Step number six, we deploy the RevEM, which is the management environment for Red Hat. We deploy that cluster from gold images, and we update the RevEM servers with CommVault. So we have gold images that we took at a specific date and time. Those images, of course, are backed up, and we update them to the most current version that we have. We do the same thing in step 7 with RevH gold images, where we update the RevH servers with CommVault. So we load the gold image, and then we update them with any updated information that we may have from CommVault. Now that may be images that are sitting at another site that we've had flown in, or whatever the case. But we are able to do that. Since the CommVault environment's running, we will restore that information. So that's the physical servers. Once you have steps 1 through 7 up and running, the entire environment is ready to begin restoring the virtual environment. Remember, step 6 and step 7 restores the Red Hat KVM environment, and now we're ready to move on to step 8. Now we move on to step 8, where we're going to copy the virtual machines from the portable DR drive to the storage device that we have set up within the environment. So it's important we have all of these core images on this portable DR drive. Remember, this is in the event that we lose both sites and we need to restore this configuration. We copy all of these VMs into the storage environment. Since we've got these servers now stood up, we've got RevM up, we've got RevH up, we've got CommVault and Active Directory in the environment. Now we need to take from that portable drive and copy all of the VMs into the storage environment. Then we need to, as mentioned here in step 8, we need to align the RevM to those virtual machines. So we need to go into Red Hat and make the association from, hey, here's the RevM cluster, now here are your virtual machines, go to it. So we need to make that alignment. And then where updates are required, we use CommVault to update and bring these 23 virtual servers back online.